claim to be the creator, but I'm a savior. I take the strange variables of human life and make something out of the crazy quilt that saves hundreds of lives.
So I try to give this car a very good rinse. You guys see I'm drenched already. It's super hot out here. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow with my pump spray with Super Clean. I'm gonna spray it over the entire vehicle, let it sit. Once I'm done that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab these floor mats, take them out the vehicle so I can just quickly pressure wash them off and set them in the sun. And then we'll go ahead and foam it down, wash it, and we'll get into the wash process. But right now it's 9:40. We've been here since like 9:20, so 20 minutes, and we just finished rinsing the car. So the idea of how long stuff takes and stuff like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and knock this out. Let's go.
Take the strange variables of human life and make something out of the crazy quilt that saves hundreds of lives.
So we have the Rag Company towel. I think it's called the Gauntlet or something like that. Best towels on the market, you guys. Best towels for detailing. Now, if you have them fresh out and they're still dry, or if you dry them or whatever, it's gonna be hard to, soak up the water. So, like any other towel, you need to get them a little bit damp, and then it'll start doing a lot of the drying for you. Guys, so now that the car is all fully dried up and stuff, we're gonna go ahead and follow up with our door jambs. So I have this green towel here, microfiber towel from Sam's Club. We're gonna go ahead and just wipe the door jambs off with our towel and clean them up nice and good. Now it's time for the inside, right? So for the interior, I'm gonna go ahead and first start by passing this drill brush here. You guys see the drill and the attachment. It's like a cone or whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and drill the carpets, the seats, and just kind of loosen up the dirt and stuff like that and debris. Now, usually if I have my compressor, this would be the step for the compressor, but since I don't have it, this is what we're using for this detail. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it under the seats first and stuff like that, and then I'll show you guys kind of like how we get a spotless finish without, you know, all this special and fancy tools. It might take you a little bit longer, but it is definitely possible. All right, YouTube, so thank you guys so much for watching the entire video. If you did, I'm gonna make sure to give a special shout out to some of you guys. So if you want to comment down below something, I'll make sure to pin it, and I'll go ahead and comment or mention you on my next video. We're all done with the Honda Civic. The Civic turned out very good on the exterior. The only problems that I did have, well, let me shut the AC off right now because y'all probably won't be able to hear me too well. So like I was saying, exterior came out good. It just has a lot of like tree sap and is literally covered in tree sap. So I didn't know that to my understanding before I got here, so I would have planned accordingly. But if I have to remove and, you know, get rid of all those tree saps and stuff like that, that'll definitely have to be an additional charge because of the time that it'll take to complete. So let's go ahead and take a look on the interior. You guys saw the condition, the shape it was in. This is how everything looks right now. Just showing y'all real quick because we gotta get going, but it's looking way better in here. I'm gonna go ahead and get a towel and just wipe the seats down so we don't leave those vacuum lines on there. And then we'll go ahead and take down this canopy and stuff and head off. Appreciate y'all for watching. Like I said, comment down below anything and I'll make sure to pin it and I'll give you a shout out in my next video, you guys. Shout out to you guys, almost at 6,000. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hustle never settle, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.